Hi everyone, I have been receiving a lot of questions regarding po our Lactazin. Okay, yung Lactazin natin na to na tablet that was formulated to treat and prevent acne from coming back. And good news about this one is that formulated siya for all skin types, lalo na po sa mga skin prone to acne and oily skin. Okay, so meron ako dito isa. So hindi kasi ako umiinom hangga't wala akong makitang lumabas na or palabas pa lang. So ngayon meron lumabas pero a very small lang here. So I need to drink na my Lactazin. And by the way po, napakarami pong I was actually overwhelmed of all the comments and questions regarding this product kung pwede daw ba siya sa TTC couple, okay? Sa breastfeeding moms, sa pregnant, okay? It is safe, okay? It is safe, but we need to be responsible as well. You need to consult your own physician to ask about it, okay? Although it is safe, pero I would suggest you consult your own physician. Okay? Ayan. So, iinuman natin siya ng ang atin pong Lactazin na iniinom siya. Kung meron ka ng, let's say for example, you had breakouts already, you drink it morning and evening. So, ako ngayon pa lang ako iinom. Okay? Dahil meron ng tumubo. It is proven to deliver results in 2 weeks. Pero kailangan continue yung pag-inom mo morning and evening. Okay? So, eto po yung itsura niya. Ang maganda kasi dito, oral intake na siya. 'Di ba? So, kung pagod ka na sa mga kakapahid-pahid dyan or whatever ways you have been doing para lang mag-get rid mo yung mga acne, pero still they keep on coming back, try our Lactazin. Pwede po siya for men and women. Okay? Kaya kung ako sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga nagtatanong, eto na po yung sagot ko sa inyo. Okay? I-check nyo yung ating yellow basket because you can already purchase it online on my TikTok shop. And kahit saan ka pa sa buong Pilipinas, pwede ka nang makapag-avail. Okay? This is our Lactazin for men and women po yan sa lahat ng klase ng skin. Especially for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Okay? Ayan na siya. Thank you so much!